Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Hey all you good looking people, we're here at Garigal National Park today. We're doing a loop walk that starts off at Heath Trail, connects to Cascade Trail via Bears Creek, then you turn onto French's Creek Trail, and that should take us back to the main roads where you kind of loop back to where you started. Anyways, it's a bit of a wet one because of La Nina. I hope I said that correctly. Anyways, let's go check it out and see if it's worth your time. Let's get going. So, I think I'm at the portion of the track where I have to ascend back up. This is gonna be fun. How cool are those caves behind me though? You can hear them? The water just dripping off of them. Well, that water was on me as well. So, I hope you appreciate me getting out here and making these for you. Seriously though, if you had any doubt wildflower season is upon us, doubt no more. Just look at all those wildflowers in the background. Crazy. Well, I'm feeling rather sorry for myself. You saw that water. Guess who fell in crossing it? Not the whole way, but I stumbled no less. Wet rocks are very slippery. Don't forget that, kids. I really do hope you appreciate it. Back to it. So here I am back at the car. Last section I got rained out along French's Creek Trail, so I didn't do much filming because as soon as I pulled out the camera, the front lens filter thing would just be covered in raindrops, so it was not conducive to actual filming, but it was a nice walk despite the rain and falling in the creek. But if you're gonna come do it, maybe on a less wet day, I would suggest. It's a nice walk, watch out for leeches, I got a few on me. part of the things I go through for you guys, so yeah, just out here toughing it out. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed that. Take care of yourself, take care of nature, and it'll take care of you. See you, gorgeous people. Bye.